YouTubers, welcome back. My name is Rick.
My name's Amanda. And we would like to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Thank you.
Amanda's going to be on her side camera tonight. I'm going to be showing you something here. I'll be cooking tonight. And oh yeah, thank you for commenting on us. We'll get back to you as soon as we can on that comment. And if there's anybody around here that wants to lose any weight that's close to us, that knows us, or kind of knows us, or knows about us, come over. Don't be afraid. And tap on our shoulder and say, "Hey, I need to lose some weight. Look at me."
Yes.
We're more than happy to hold your hand, walk with you, explain it all to you, and get you through it. We're looking for a person.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, press that button, subscribe down here, and then over here, a little bell will come up, and hit that bell. You'll get all of our videos from this point on.
And hit the like button if you like our videos.
Absolutely. So, wasting no more time, here we go. A poor man's keto dinner. First of all, we have 4 hot dogs, 8 ounces.
Yep.
And I'm going to put...
Yum, yum.
Yeah, no.
I eat turkey hot dogs.
Mine are beef.
Yes.
By the way. And we'll go over here and we'll turn it up to medium. And we'll let it cook for about 5 or 10 minutes or until I'm done with showing you everything I'm doing. Okay, we'll start out with 2 cups of lettuce already weighed out.
Yeah.
We're actually 2 cups now.
Mine's a lot bigger. I have a bigger bowl.
I know, she eats a lot more than I do. And we'll do that. And then we have a 4-inch cucumber. You can,
yum, yum.
Yeah, we can cut this down to little squares. I don't like the green stuff on the outside, so I want to get rid of that.
I like the green stuff.
And if you do, go ahead and put it in there. I know it doesn't seem like there's much left of it, but that's okay. It's still going to do what the job I need it to do.
I usually peel it for them, but I'm behind the camera today.
And this right here, we'll give it to the squirrels in the backyard.
Yes. We have plenty of squirrels.
And then get 1 medium tomato and dice it up.
Yum, yum, tomatoes.
If you want a little bigger one, that's okay too.
Yeah.
That ain't going to change too much on the calories that we have on this meal. Yeah, we have a new thing we're going to do. We have a little board we call the nutrition board we're going to show you.
Now he dumps it in there.
Yeah, yeah. And then I use my meal. I use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in it.
I use ranch. I use a lot of ranch in mine.
I just use 2. Sometimes I do 4 tablespoons, but when I got the tomatoes in it, the tomato juice in it makes it taste pretty good, just like that.
Yes.
And I'll mix it up. And here we go.
Yum, yum.
We gotta do that. Okie dokie. We got that taken care of now. Ah, here we go. 1 medium avocado.
Ugh.
I like them. A lot of people don't, but man,
I don't care for them.
I think they're grub. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look!
How lucky. It just fell right out. Didn't even have to work for it. Trash can. Where'd it go? I can do that. I need it for the show.
I was going to throw it in the bowl.
It has to be erased now. There's an easy way of cutting this so you can get it out easy. I just go 1, 2, 3, and then go this way. 1, 2. You can take a spoon, which I won't do because I like doing this while I'm eating. Just scoop it out like that, and they come right on out when you square it. All the squares all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, he squares it off.
And here we go. Here's our avocado. Okay, now I'm going to do 1 ounce of cheese. you have to weigh this out because this will have a lot of calories and a lot of fat and everything will throw you off. Or you get too... We're going to take that out now.
He's weighing it out. And it's 0.6 ounces.
Okay, we have to start the whole video over. Okay. See right here. Whoops.
Too much.
Too much. Let's just take this off and try again. Up. Little too much. La-di-da. We're getting closer.
Yes, we are.
Bink.
There we go.
Perfect.
Yay!
So we have our cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, normally I have a couple ounces, maybe even 3 ounces, but I don't have the avocado normally either when I do this. Okay. Okay, I use a half a cup of olives. We have marking right here. This would be a half a cup right here.
Mm-hmm.
We have cups that already have marking on them.
Yay!
So easy.
Oh, these avocados smell bad. I don't like avocados. As you guys can tell.
It's about 4 ounces of avocado.
Yes.
And we'll put that over here. And then I get dill chip.
Yummy. I love pickles.
And we got the markings right on this container right here. This is our half cup mark. Yeah, we eat usually all the pickles you want because there's no calories in it.
That is true.
If you really want to, you can just keep on eating them. Amanda eats a ton of them.
Oh yeah, I do. I eat, what, a gallon in a week?
About a week.
Maybe more than a gallon. Maybe a gallon and a half a week. And this is pickles.
Okay. Now we're done with that. Okay. Now I make my special hot dog dip. Here's how I do it. Check this out. Just remember this is all keto friendly and calorie friendly if you're counting calories. That's what you decide to do. I'm going to do a half cup of sour cream. This sour cream right here only has no sugar in it.
I use mustard on my hot dogs.
About almost there.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Maybe another dollop. I like putting ranch with my sour cream.
And then I use my onion powder.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. How much did you put in there?
I don't know, whatever they want for taste, whatever they
Okay.
like to put in there. They can put as much as they want, actually.
Yes.
It ain't going to throw off the carbs too much. You need a lot. Hey, we got this thing already boiling over here. So I would turn it down low once it starts boiling so it doesn't overcook.
Yeah,
And
we
I
don't
just
want to.
mix this up.
That'd be a big mess if you let it boil over.
You can add other things to it, you know. Sour cream is good with onions, soup, mix,
Ranch.
whatever. She's a ranch.
I love my ranch.
Gotta have ranch. Gotta have ranch. We'll turn this off since we're getting there now. Yeah. Here we go. We got our hot dogs ready to go.
Looky there.
There we go. And one more thing.
Yep.
1 cup of unsweetened almond milk.
I I don't drink a lot of milk.
You know, a lot of people can try. I like to taste it, but just the way it is. But if you really want it to taste good, oh my gosh. I use stevia.
Yes.
You gotta look at the ingredients really close. Make sure it's erythritol, stevia leaf extract. What I'll do is I'll use one stevia pack. I had to rinse that out. That could be all.
Yeah, it'd be kind of sticky.
Yeah. I didn't have to use that big of a cup, but I figured it was kind of cool being you Santa Claus stuff.
It's Christmas time. Yay!
How many days till Christmas now? 15, 14?
No, it's 20 days till Christmas
20 days?
Day.
I gotta wait that long?
Yes.
Wait until you taste this.
He stirs it up, by the way.
Oh, everybody probably does. And here we go. This is a poor man's keto dinner. Now check this out. We got this board that I was telling you about, my nutrition board, and our micronutrients, lipids, aka fat, is 175 grams. Net carbs are 14 grams. Protein is 67 grams. This has a lot of sodium in it, but check it out. The FDA suggested no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. This meal only has 2,140. And if you're a low diet type of person, it's 1,225 calories. That's even below what Amanda eats.
Yes, it is.
And I got each thing up there cost of beside each thing, and it totals up to be $4.99. And here you go.
For this meal.
And anybody can eat this stuff. I mean, anybody can eat this. That sounded kind of crazy, huh? Anybody can afford this meal.
Yes.
So what do you think? Is that a lot of stuff or what? For $4.99. And this is an actual ketogenic diet with nutrients, antioxidants in it, phytonutrients. I mean, it has a list of everything you need in it.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I would eat some of it.
So I would eat it all because it's so good. So anyway, if you want to describe to us, if you want to comment and tell us what you think about this, just let us know.
Yep.
Peace out.
Peace out. And happy holidays.